I was walking through the silence with a heart that couldn't feel. Every smile I tried to fake, every wound I tried to heal. I was drowning in my thoughts, fighting shadows in my mind, looking for a way to breathe. But I was running out of time. Then you came without a warning, like a light I couldn't see. You didn't ask me who I was, you just stayed and carried me. You found me in the dark when I was losing all I am, when my world was falling apart. You reached out your hand, you didn't let me break, didn't turn and walk away. Now I'm standing here because you chose me. You stayed. Oh, I was empty, I was restless, chasing things that couldn't last. Every road I thought was right led me deeper in my past, but your voice cut through the noise, like a whisper to my soul. And for the first time in my life, I finally felt whole. You saw beauty in my broken, saw the truth behind my scars. You rebuilt what I had buried, turned my pain into a spark. You found me in the dark, when I was losing all I am, when my world was falling apart. You reached out your hand, you didn't let me break, didn't turn and walk away. Now I'm breathing 'cause of you. You chose me. You stayed. You, hey, 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 hey. I was so far gone I couldn't see there was still a light for me, but you pulled me from the deep. Now I finally believe every chain that held me down, every fear is breaking now. I was lost, but now I'm found. I was lost, but now I'm found. You found me in the dark when I had nothing left to give. You rewrote my broken heart, taught me how to live. You didn't let me fall, didn't leave me in the pain. Now I'm standing here alive, and I'll never be the same. I was fading, I was gone, but you loved me all along.